Hey everybody, welcome back to your monthly market stats for the month of June, and we're looking at Milton. Let's jump right into the numbers. So, very similar to the other Halton regions, we're seeing less number of sales in the month of June. Most of the inventory has increased. That means that the properties that are hitting the market, there's going to be a little more to select from, which is nice. Average days on markets is about 11, very similar to last year. Correction, last month. That's basically telling us that once market properties are hitting the market, they're going pretty quickly. An average selling price very stagnant, just like the other properties as well in Oakville as well as in Burlington. It's rock steady around $1.1 million in Milton. Okay, so let's look at Milton. For the past 6 months, we've seen property prices have gone up a little bit. It's a little stagnant now in the past couple of months, which maybe it has a factor with the higher interest rate. It could be an interesting time to get into the market because properties are still selling even with the higher interest rates. We're probably going to see increases of prices as interest rates start to come down. So we believe it's a good time to be getting into the market, getting ahead of everybody else. So looking at this at a bigger scale over the past 8 years, we're seeing that average selling price are still going up. It's still a nice increase in property prices. So that's telling us that home prices are worth more every single year, and it's still a really good investment tool, even with higher interest rates. All right, now last slide is really nice so you can look and see all the different prices and points of interest for different property types in Milton. So months of inventory, it's pretty low for the detached, semi-detached, even the townhouse rows. And that's telling us that there's not as much selection of properties, and when they are hitting the market, they're not sitting in the market for that long. So even with higher interest rates, properties are still selling because people are understanding the opportunity that's out there. Yes, higher interest rates, but it does mean that it's giving you opportunity to get a property for maybe a better price than what you might be expecting. And as long as you're uh, pricing your home appropriately, you're gonna get what you're asking for, if not a little bit more, because people are understanding there's still a strong demand for property types, especially in Milton. So here's my phone number and my name, Tariq Alibaksh. There's my phone number, email address. If you have questions, I'd love a chance to talk to you and we can realize your real estate goals. Thank you. See you next month. Bye bye.